I'm going to show you how to create this stunning dessert table made from items from the Dollar Tree that cost only $25. Yes, that's right guys.
Hey, I'm Nadia Ray, and in today's video I'm going to take you through step by step how to create the most beautiful dessert table from stuff that I've purchased from Dollar Tree for less than $27. If you're in the UK, Poundland do very similar things, so just follow the template and it goes to show you that you can have luxurious looking things on a budget. There are no excuses not to have a good time. If you get value from today's video, please do consider subscribing. This is the channel for DIY event decor, baking. I am so excited to do this with you today, so without further ado, let's dive straight in. Very quickly guys, here is all the stuff that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These are display easels, they are gold and I'm going to show you how to use them. We have a photo frame and I've just flipped it inside out so it's got the white base, and tablecloths. We've got some fake flowers, some flower wreaths, we've got vases, candle holders again but smaller. We've got the donuts, the wafers and little Rolos because I love the rose gold colour, and the DIY cake stand.
The first thing you're going to need is a tablecloth. They do sell them at the Dollar Tree, but I wanted something a little bit thicker, so I picked up a blanket and it worked really beautifully. It just adds a bit more texture. This is a vinyl top liner. Again, I've chosen this to add some texture and opulence to the table. The next step is easels. These are little presentation stands, and I have actually put them together to create a miniature cake stand. And here's the photo frame. This of course has a plain white base, but you're free to do whatever you'd like in that photo frame. The next step is your vases. Now you'll notice that I'm putting them upside down because this is literally just so that we can get some height. Next is our vases, and you'll notice that I have two different styles of vases. I don't like everything to be so symmetrical. I think asymmetrical things always look a little bit more beautiful. And we're going to put our stems in. I've chosen really simple flowers. Again, these are from the Dollar Tree, super inexpensive and elegant. These cake stands aren't from the Dollar Tree, they are actually thrifted. It's just a vintage plate and a candelabra and I glued them together. I will link to a tutorial above. The next step is your two little tea light holders. Just put one on each side of your cake stand, the long cake stand in the centre. And I found this little deer and I've put it on a little mirror, and I thought it was just a really cute little thing. You can do whatever you'd like here. You want to get your Rolos now, and you want to get your candelabra, and you actually want to put it the opposite way round, so the wide side up, so it cups them. And I got some baby donuts and put them on sticks. You can do whatever you'd like, maybe marshmallows or strawberries. You want to get your premium wafers and pop them on your glass dish. I'm just amazed that all of these items are from the Dollar Tree. These are some fabulous rose bouquet cupcakes. I have a full tutorial so you can do this yourself at home. And the last thing is a bit of tissue paper. They had this at the Dollar Tree and I just thought it added a touch of elegance to the table. And now you want to get your flower and put it directly through your wreath. Get some blue tack and you're going to mount it on the wall so it makes a pretty little backdrop. And these are the two smaller ones. Again, flower straight through, and you want the big one on top and the two little ones beneath, as you can see. And here's the table all together, and you can see how it's really starting to come together. Now, I always like fresh things like fresh apples or grapes, strawberries, blueberries. It just adds some life to the table. I feel fresh fruit and fresh things go such a long way, and it's super inexpensive.
As you can see, that was a lot simpler than what you may have thought, and it goes to show you that you can have so much fun on a budget and there really are no excuses not to slay your dessert tables. If you've got value from today's video, please do consider subscribing to this channel. And as mentioned, there are tutorials for the cake stands that I made from thrifted items that cost less than $5. I will link that in the description box below, and also to the cupcake rose bouquets if you fancy making your own cupcakes and having some fun with cupcake decorating. Everything will be linked below, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye!